Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be about essential oils and everything that you need to know about them. Now essential oils have been like the trending product for quite a few years now, and they have been the top rated products on each and every beauty retail website, and every company out there is coming up with their own essential oils. So it's very hard time choosing from them, and it's a very hard time to know whether you need essential oil or you don't, how to use one, and the pros and cons and everything you need to know. I wish I had a video like this when I started using essential oils at first, but never mind, you have a video on this. So anyway, without any more long ass intro, let's just get started. And just one more thing, make sure you have subscribed to my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. I'll go with a detailed introduction of each and every topic, so it might be a bit long video, but it's worth it. Let's start with what's an essential oil. Now an essential oil is a very concentrated solution having a certain plant's characteristics, its essence, that's why it's known as an essential oil mainly. Now suppose tea tree oil has all the properties a tea tree plant has. Same goes for orange, bergamot, rosemary and everything. Next we come to what are the different uses of essential oil. Now if I start on reading a list of uses, I might not end this video forever. Like there are so many uses of essential oils, namely it might help you uplift your mood, it helps in acne problems and hair fall problems, dandruffs, even helps you sleep better, cures pain and so many other things. Each and every essential oil has a different use and I just can't name them all in here. Choose an essential oil which targets your problems mainly. Does your skin actually need an essential oil or not? Now I'll be very straightforward and honest with this. Every skin type is different, and it might be the case that your skin doesn't even need an essential oil. You know, just because a product is trending or best selling doesn't mean you have to buy it and that is going to suit you and all the positive reviews that you see are actually going to come true. It's not the case. Do not fall for that actually. So if you want to try an essential oil, make sure you try it in like a combined solution. Buy a moisturizer or something which already has essential oils in it, obviously in a small amount, so that your skin is like accustomed to it normally before you jump on to buying a concentrated solution of essential oil. With this we come to how to use an essential oil. Now there are various ways of using essential oil. You can use it in your diffuser, humidifier, you can use it in your moisturizer, with an aloe vera gel, in your shampoo, soaps, everywhere, but there's a but in it. Always make sure it's very well diluted. If you by chance put one single drop of essential oil which is concentrated directly on your skin, it is going to burn up your skin like anything, trust me. It's going to harm your skin, damage your tissues much more than you can even imagine from the benefits of it. So make sure it's very diluted. 1 to maximum 2 drops of essential oil is all you need for your skin type and your hair type and everything. That's it. Now once we are done with everything, how to use, whether your skin needs an essential oil or not, everything, let's come to the consequences first. Now I'm not doing this to freak you guys out and demotivate you from do not buy an essential oil and so on. No, I don't have any intentions, but these are things that you should know before opting for an essential oil and going and buying one. So the first thing is, if an essential oil is ingested, gets into your eyes, mouth, anywhere sensitive, it is going to burn, damage your mucous membrane or so on. Make sure you use it in a very proper way and with a bit more care, because it is again a concentrated thing which might cause you more harm than good. The next thing is, if you're having a pet, it might be a dog, a cat, or any pets, and you are using an essential oil in a diffuser, humidifier just to get an aromatherapy or something like that, your pets might get harmed with that, their eyes might get irritated or something like that. So make sure before you use essential oil into a diffuser, have a research and get to know whether they actually affect your pets or not. This is like a very wise step. I don't know, no one says about this, but this is something you should note down. Now let's have a little bit of story time now. I'll tell you about my experience with essential oils. Now I purchased my first bottle of essential oils 2 years back, and that was like the biggest mistake I shouldn't have done. My skin was so immature, it wasn't even mature enough to take such a concentrated solution in, and I would highly recommend, if you are not above the age of 18 or 19, do not ever opt for essential oil, because your skin needs to be mature to take in it, and you are fine without serums or essential oil and all sorts of things. You might need it later in life, but not before the age of 18 or 19. So the first essential oil that I bought was bergamot essential oil, mainly for my acne problems. My acne were getting much worse. I had to buy it, and the reviews were like so amazing. Obviously, essential oils everywhere you'll see mixed reviews, negative, positive, and so on. But I did exactly as it was instructed on the back of the packaging, like take a cotton, dilute it in water or anything, and then put 1 drop of essential oil on it, and put it all over the affected areas. Mainly I had my cheekbones and jawlines affected, so I used to put that daily twice. And yeah, the first time it burnt like I am putting raw acid on my skin. I couldn't take it for the first time. I had to wash it off, but again I had got accustomed to it with daily use and so on. So yeah, after some days I could see my acne is reducing drastically. I wasn't expecting that, first of all, but let me tell you the worst thing that actually happened after that. It was early summer when my skin on my cheeks started peeling, acne dried off, but that was the least of my concern back then. My essential oil had actually damaged my cheeks, and that was like the craziest thing I ever had in my life. I was like, oh my god, I cannot use it anymore. More than my acne problems, it did actually harm my skin, which I never expected that. So if you are not mature enough, you do not know how to use an essential oil, in what quantity, in what proportion, stay away from essential oils. Next time I gave a fair chance to another essential oil, just to remove my acne scars recently. Obviously, I bought the orange essential oil, and this time, the first time, it did burn up, but I was accustomed to it, so yeah, it was okay. It did curb down my acne scars and so on, but it did cause me breakouts, because orange is a citrus oil and it might not work with every skin type. It might break you out, it might cause purging, it might damage your skin. So it's a very delicate subject on whether your skin needs an essential oil. It doesn't. It's totally up to you. If you want to use, go ahead, try one, but make sure you use it in the most safest way out there. I had to suggest you any essential oils that you want to use. I might suggest you may start with like rose essential oil, rosemary and sorts of that, leaving aside the trending ones like citrus essential oils. They don't work with every skin type. First of all, lavender, they are like the best selling, but sometimes they don't work with every skin type. Tea tree essential oils, for some, they really don't work enough good. So yeah, stay away from those and start with a very mild solution of essential oils if you need, or it can really cause harm to your skin like it did to mine back then. I had spent like so many months repairing my skin after that. So yeah, with that we literally come to the end of today's video. If you have liked so far, I did put in so much intel, so if you have liked so far, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel so that I can come up with more such interesting videos and things for you guys. And that's it. I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, make sure you share this video with your friends and family so that they might be a bit more aware before purchasing one. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye.